Okay, so Eve wants to say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Those beautiful baby blue eyes, huh? All right, now you gotta move back over so mommy can finish my makeup. Okay, so I'm back. I have the Bella bronzer right around here. I have Ash contour here. I have Frenchy blush. I have Georgia illuminator. And I'm wearing Sunlit down here and Aura right in here. Okay, so now we'll talk about what I do with my eyeshadow. So first things first, this is a must-have brush. It is eyeshadow everything. I'm drawing a blank. Eyeshadow everything. All right, so I'm just gonna go with this little fat end, and when I lay it in, I lay it on its side and sort of wiggle it. Okay, and I'm getting Sabrina, and I'm just patting it in right here. Okay, a little Sabrina on my bottom part of my lid and in that corner. Okay, again, same. And I'm really patting it in, not really rubbing it so much. Okay. All right, same, and I'm gonna go into Oak, this one right here. I like to use this as my little windshield wiper right in that crook. If you leave your eye open, you'll be able to really feel where that bone is. And I just sort of hover right on slightly underneath that bone. Okay. Now, let me get a little more. All right, so this is Oak, and I'm just blending it nice and pretty. Okay. This is Finn. This one I'm about to use right here is Finn. It's a shimmer. It's a really beautiful color on, and I'm doing the same thing, just on the side of the brush, right? And then I'm gonna go right here in the corner, and I'm circling it right here. I want a little bit darker of a corner on the outside. Okay? All right. There we go. Same.
There you go, Mommy. And I bang it.
I think I need a little more on that side. All right. How we feel? Feeling okay about this look so far? Now, the baby's playing with my brushes. All right, so I love to take this multitasker brush, this end right here. This brush is awesome, right? And I'm gonna go right into Soulmate today. This one, this pink is Soulmate, and it's a shimmer.
Not that one.
And I'm gonna pat it on right here.
One. Put it on, Mommy. I'll do this.
And I'm gonna do the other eye.
Hold on.
What are you doing, baby?
Okay,
Just brushing me.
Put it on.
All right, pat on Soulmate with this brush. All right, at this point, you can clean your brushes or, kind of flicking it off a little bit, because I'm gonna come underneath with Bright Eyes, this one right here. And I'm just taking the edges. All right.
No, I
So
need
everything-
that.
Hold on, baby. I'm going into Bright Eyes. I'm gonna bring it right here in the corner.
Okay, I'm gonna use this.
Soften it up some. All right. Go back to my multitasker and I'm going into Cola. This is another contour we have. I use it for eyeliner and I'm dipping in just the ends, right? And I'm gonna bring it right here on top of my lashes. Just the very tip of this brush is what I'm dipping in.
I gotta use this.
And I'm tapping and rubbing at the same time just to smudge the line out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom, underneath. And I'm not bringing it all the way over, just about to the middle, okay? Okay, now take a little, like a soft-ended brush that's clean, and you can just sort of blend things together a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go
And there.
do my eyebrows. Here's a Know Your Angles brush. I'm dipping it into my ash contour. Typically like a different color, but I'm just going to draw a line underneath and a line on top. This is actually kind of hard to do on the phone. And then brush it up. Fill it in a little bit. Bring it down. Eyebrows are so personal, so you can do them how you want. But I don't like mine to be heavy. I just like to fill them in a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. I'm brushing up. Wait, baby, stop.
Here, mommy. Here, you can use this
All
one.
right. Thanks, honey.
You go out. I'm gonna use this. Ooh.
All right, spoolie in. Brush the eyebrows up. All right.
And there we go.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You chopped it.
So back to this multitasker brush, and I'm going into my contour. I'm lining
Can you this?
with contour.
Contour. Yeah.
And into Frenchie. And there you have it.